from way back there. Erica Santos out of the De La Salle program, and this one is right into the heart of Signal.
Tolenada capitalizing on her talents from the back row.
And Vicsenko has knocked in 3 points already. 3. Alam mo, players weave into a tournament. And minsan may umiinit, pero mainit kagad. Diyos ko, ang joust sa net. Palakasan talaga eh, no? Cargado and Sasha hitting that far away. We're tied at 16.
Sasha has been reliable here from all sides of the court. Again, taking advantage of her height going above the blockers. One of the most.
Sasha Herburn.
Yep.
Excellent shot. And Cayuna unable to handle the heat. Vicsenko, each serve iba yung thinking na it's no two plays are the same. If
It's
you think
situational.
about it. Ito.
Good set.
Sasha. He made it. And the lead is down to 1.
Sasha has been playing precise attacking so far, finding the angle, going for that angle and scoring for Capital One.